23 years for me.
I joined in October 1993.
Right from inception, that is from 6th January 1993.
I joined Jet Air Group in 1988, 1st May.
July 1997.
24 and a half years.
It's been almost 21 years.
Actually, it's been great. I think it was the right choice to join Jet Airways, and I have never looked back actually since then.
When I joined the company, I was a little boy with dreams in my eyes. Now I'm a gentleman with responsibilities on my shoulder.
Roller coaster. Roller coaster ride.
I have learned a lot from my last 10 years. शायद ही लाइफ में इतना कुछ सीखती एक साथ.
Those days when the fax machine started, I was in Delhi office in corporate communication office. So whenever there is a fax from chairman's office, first Jennifer will call. She'll say, "We are sending a fax message, important message. Please stand by." So we all will run to the fax machine, waiting for the message to come. Immediately when we get it, we'll call her up and say, "Yes, we received it."
What used to happen is we had only one room which was allotted to flight operations, and we had about 7-8 people. So the moment, and we had only few chairs. So what used to happen is the moment someone gets up, he loses his chair. So he used to stand and work. And initial 3 months we worked non-stop. There was no weekly of nothing. Every day we used to come because our target was to commence the operation from 5th of May.
First flight into Srinagar, I was the first officer. It was inaugural, so it was very special everywhere. We got a lot of really nice treatment and stuff. But also what I remember was on the way back when we were to arrive into Delhi, we actually diverted. So there was some VIP movement there. We actually diverted on our inaugural flight. Yeah. So these things happen with us.
Though you had to go through ups and downs on the airline, and we have gone through all that, when still going through it, even now it's happening.
It was a very strong, close-knit family, starting from chairman to all the way people who work with. And it's a very, very contagious environment that we work in.
5 minute delay, उसके ऊपर जाता है, वो चिल्लाता है, मेरे ऊपर आता है, मैं चिल्लाता हूँ, we get a clash. End of the day we go hand by hand. After the shift, you know where.
Learning lot of things from my seniors as well. Sometimes they are very tough, but sometimes they are very nice also. Because they are tough, we are learning.
एक क्रेज होता है कि एक नंबर 1 कंपनी में, नंबर 1 एयरलाइन में हम नौकरी करें या उसको हम सर्विस दें. तो वही क्रेज मुझे यो किसी और एयरलाइन में जाने के लिए रोकता है.
But when one of the youngsters travel, say hello. Make sure even if their parents are traveling to say, "Sir, appreciate the good job your daughter or your son is doing for the airline. I've known him for so many years. It's wonderful." Yeah. And just to see the feeling of pride that they have, that we appreciate the performance of their son, no matter, or their daughter, no matter what field that they're in. But that way of meeting people and showing them that you appreciate, respecting their job is what, for me, the company is about.
Company is in trouble. We pull our socks and say, "Oh, अभी तो कुछ करना पड़ेगा, company का problem है." The moment company declares a profit, we always put on a screen, "Boss, I need that increment."
A year back, I had faced a very bad incident, and the kind of help, the kind of support Jet Airways being a family has given and provided my family, they always say that it's incredible.
Jet Airways identity and uniform. By a sight of uniform itself gives you a lot of confidence, and you can go and meet anyone, talk to anyone. I would say this tie is my identity. नंबर 1 पर पहुंचना तो आसान है, लेकिन बने रहना बहुत मुश्किल है, और जेट एयरवेज ने ये करके दिखाया है, इसलिए मुझे यही चीज़ दाने बाएं जाने के लिए रखती है.
So that kind of passion, there's no money that you can pay me for that kind of thing. There's nothing. It's just I will always find that in this company. I'll always find that love in the company. Colleagues, my family. Literally, I hold my colleagues in my family here in the airline way above some of the ones that I've got in my actual family also. Because I've been here 23 years. It means a lot. Half our life. Yeah, half our life. We've been right here.
am a very emotional man because of being a Cancerian. So that's issue.
Actually, it was my dream to work with an airline since childhood. I wanted to become a pilot.
Oh! Yeah. Okay, no, so now, what are you going to start with? This is horrible as well.
How did you get your name Celcall?
You know, Celcall is associated with HF, right?
No.
Okay. We used to have Captain Chandran, very nice, very excellent Chandran, Captain. He joined Sri Lanka right now. He would always think sometime, I mean, you ask him something, he'll take a while and then answer it. Very sweet fellow, very sweet person. So he said, यार तुम HF की तरह delay करके क्यों बोलते हो? Celcall ही नाम रख दिया.